Things on work towards improving the educational outcomes of children from under-resourced communities using a tech plus touch model and activity-based methodology. As COVID-19 hit India, Anganwadi, government schools and different community learning centers went into lockdown. We realized that children in under-resourced communities were not getting access to quality education due to the ongoing crisis. Unavailability of smartphones and internet had made the situation even worse. In response, we designed two programs, home-based learning program and capacity building workshop for educators. These programs have been helping to engage educators, parents and children in education even during the crisis. Let's hear from our operation team how home-based learning program works.
स्कूल और अंगनवाड़ी बंद हो जाइए कोविड में एजुकेशन ऊपर बहुत एफेक्ट पड़ी जेबेठार कोविड समय आरंभ होइछि सेबेठार थिंक पेरेंट्स मानू रीच आउट करूछि एसएमएस कॉल और फोन और व्हाट्सएप और आईडीआर द्वारा एक्टिविटी प्रोवाइड करूछि।
लॉकडाउन सरीगला परे मु घर घर जाई पिला और अभिभावक और पिलांक सह मिसी गतिविधि माध्यम रे शिक्षा को पहुंचाउछि।
Some pictures of our home-based learning program being implemented by parents. We feel that the program can be incorporated in association with the government to ensure the active involvement of parents, which even the National Education Policy focuses on. Let's hear what parents have to say on our home-based learning program. We also started engaging community educators, school teachers and Anganwadi workers during the crisis through our capacity building workshops. These virtual sessions with the educators are done to enhance their skills in activity-based teaching pedagogy, technology and communication. We are also helping them to reach out to children through various means and teach them during the pandemic. Let's hear what a teacher has to say on these capacity building workshops.
এই जो कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग ट्रेनिंग चली तो आम टीचर माने जो माने भी अच्छु टेक्नोलॉजी विषय रे बहुत किसी जानी पारुछु।
We intend to make most of our programs with a mixture of online and offline tools and keep on coming up with more innovative ideas so that we do not face the same challenges in case the world hits another pandemic.